what's going on YouTube? This is my channel. If you don't know, I'm Matthew Falls. Charlie died. We're going to do some bike checks. Three-way game of bike. Alright, so this is my new custom build. I got the premium Gutter Shark V2 frame. It's got the seat clamp thing right there. Got that. And then you got the Kink East Coaster in the back as my rear wheel. And it's just laced to Kink stock complete wheel. So yeah. And Sunday Street Sweeper tires, Durst brand inner tubes, Ford Colt Doomsday pegs on my bicycle. Got an Odyssey Bluebird chain. What's this called? Cinema Reel sprocket. Mission Transit cranks. Odyssey JCPC pedals. Shadow Crow seat, pivotal seat. Stolen seat post. And got Sunday Freeze stem with Mission command bars. Odyssey Brock Rayford grips. Odyssey bar ends. Limited edition removable bar end. See, and then you got, it just pops its butt. No, bad word. Rant, Twin Peak cranks, an Odyssey Q2 Quartet front wheel with another street sweeper and another Durst brand inner tube. And I've got a premium bottom bracket and a premium headset and Durst brand valve caps on both sides. And that's my bike check. Woo! Oh shoot!
What is up, my dude? It is Willie. This is my brand new bike, the Fit Spree. It's a complete bike, so I don't really know all the parts on it. So I'm just gonna read off of Dansko. The frame literally says full chromoly.
Chromoly.
Justin's freak frame. We're just keeping it there. I don't know.
20.75.
20.75. Forks. Justin Spree forks, you know. Integrated bit headset.
Probably not a bit.
Bars. 9.25 rise. Grips are the Fit Long Tech. Cranks.
Fit indent cranks.
Cranks. Bottom bracket.
Yeah,
Sealed mid. Fit. Stock. Pedals. Odyssey Twisted PCs. I knew that one, by the way. Sprocket. Fit SI. S1, I mean. Stock. Fit. Just free. Chain. KMC. Z410H.
The heck?
Ow. Front hub. 3/8 sealed. Fit. Stock.
3/8 is the size.
Yeah, I
Not
know.
what it's called.
But that's the size, so you can call it that, right?
No.
What do you call? Rear hub. Fit stock. 14 millimeter. Wait. Doesn't make sense. Sealed. Driver 9-tooth. Big boy. Front rim Revenge S1W. Rear wheel S1W. Front tire Fit OEM. Back tire Fit OEM. Seat Fit bar stool. Pivotal, which was stock, which is nice because usually they just come in complete. Not complete. You know what I mean. A brake lever, alloy, hinged. Fit stem, stock, bar ends. Fit butt, sticker, stock. Just Spree walking on the lady, obviously. Fit holder, seat post. Yeah, that's a bike check.
Huh?
Well, that was the best bike check you've ever seen in your life. Oh wait, we can't forget Henry's bracelet, my dude.
Oh!
It's my turn for the bike check. Starting up at the top, got the Odyssey Brock Rayford grips with the Odyssey bar ends. These are really good bar ends, you know. And then I got the Fit Tom Dugan bars. I have no idea what the size is, but going down, I got the Sunday Freeze stem. I got the Colt integrated headset. And then I got the Odyssey R25 forks. These are the best forks in the world. The front wheel is a Mission Brigade wheel. And then in the back, I got a Kink East Coaster. It's okay, it's Kink, not much about that. And then I got the worst pegs in the world. And then I got Odyssey Twisted Pro pedals and Donut. That's the best part about them. I got Mission Transit cranks, and then Sabrosa Magnum guarded sprocket, BSD Forever chain. Oh yeah, with some KMC links. Thanks for Matthew hooking me up with those. I got a Deco seat post with a stolen diamond seat. It looks pretty good. Pivotal, obviously. I think that's about it. Oh yeah, my bottom bracket is a Mission. Yeah, that is my bike check. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Limited edition removable bar end. See, and then it just pops its butt. No, bad word.